What's going on, Fascia Blasters? I am Jasenia. I am so excited to present to you the OMG Blaster. I actually just got it in the mail today, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys how to use this amazing tool. All right, ladies, so you ready to start with your OMG Blaster? I know I am. I'm going to grab the Invigorating Tip tool and the handle. They should interlock in place, so I'm going to show you. The triangles should match up. You're going to give it a light little twist. The triangle should match up with the circle on the handle. And once you've done that, you can start treating your face with the Invigorating Tip tool. So I like to start with the pre-blast cleanse. This is part of Ashley Black's line, the face line. I'm just going to put a drop on the Invigorating tool. You can, if you like, you can use oil if you want, if you've cleaned your face already. You can use whatever oil of your choice, or you can use Ashley's oil as well. All right, but I like to start with the cleanser just so I can get the invigorating and stimulate, and clean all at the same time. So I'm gonna start by doing light circles, small circles around my face, nice and light but brisk, just like if you were fascia blasting. And I got into the entire area of my face, right into the cheeks, into the sinus cavity, above my lip, on my nose, nice and light. And then you're gonna go up in your forehead, circles. I like to go in circles. It's my thing. I love it. It feels like a little massage. And just like that. Okay. Once you've covered your face, you're ready to move on to the next step. Once you invigorated your skin and you're ready to move on to the next step, you're going to grab your one claw face blaster tool. The next one is this one. This is what it looks like. And again, you're going to interlock it into your handle and make sure it clips to lock. Now here I'm going to grab my face blaster, my face blaster oil. And I'm going to put just a little bit on my skin. You don't really need much. And you're just going to massage it in upwards motion, just like this. Okay, and once you've gotten that done, you then take your one claw tool and you start blasting your face. Oh my God, this feels so good. I'm so excited. And it gets right into the little tiny nitty-gritty of your muscles and your fascia. If you guys want a comparison on how the size of this claw is to the face blaster, I'll show you right now. Just grab it real quick. And if you see the comparison, it's pretty small compared to it. The little legs are smaller. So that's the comparison to the face blaster and the tip to the one claw of the OMG Blaster. Okay. And it feels different too. It feels pretty cool. I love it. And what I like about this claw is that it also helps stimulate the blood flow a little deeper. Like I could feel it a little deeper. The invigorating tip is more of a superficial prep. It's like you're prepping your skin for that deeper stimulation by the face claw, the one blaster face claw here. And don't forget your lips. You want to get your lips. It's what gives them that nice plump look when you're stimulating blood flow. Blood flow is the key here to collagen production and the skin tightening. If you choose to go one direction, you can too. you go upwards, in upwards motion. Never go down this way, one direction. It's different when you go back and forth, but if you're going one direction, the recommendation is going upwards. You want to go against gravity because gravity pulls us down. So you want to go up. Just like that. And if you see, I'm getting a nice reaction here. Pretty cool. And then your face, your forehead, you actually want to also go up too. Just like this. I think this would be great for my scalp too. Love it. I like to go one direction too. Just like that. And then you can go across fiber. Go across just like this. Just like that. It feels amazing. And then you want to target your number 11s, which I know I do, but they were more visible before. Ever since I started fascia blasting, they've diminished greatly. And then I smile a lot, so I gotta make sure I get my smile lines. But this is how you work your number 11s. Just like that. And then you can use your hands to flush. Just like that. In between changing the tips. Just want to keep stimulating the blood flow. Let's move on to the next tip. Now we're going to grab the fine line eraser. That's the attachment that has the 2 tips at the end. We're going to clip it into our handle, just like that. Make sure the circle on the handle and the triangle on the tip line up and they lock into place. Okay, I have already put oil on my face so I can start blasting. And then we're going to target the details here. So here, this detail here would be the number 11s that are created when we're have tension or focused. And we're going to target those guys. Okay, into our exciting lines. Right in there. Then you can go up and down here, or you can go across. Just like that. Fast and brisk. Into the crow feet area. And then I like to use these 2 tips to stimulate underneath my eye here. Nice and light. Nice and light across my cheek. And you can also go quickly, briskly across here, lightly. Into your smile line, right here. Into the chin and jowl area, right in here. Underneath the chin. You can also use it, you can use the 1 claw tip underneath the chin here. But I like the attention that these 2 prongs give to my chin area. Into the jowls. And this angle is perfect, like right into your chin here, it gives you that perfect angle. Smile lines. Across the cheek again. Crow feet area. And back to the top again. To the exciting lines. Just like that. And then you can go, either you can go across here like this, or you can go up and down like this. Whatever is comfortable for you. Just like that. All right, and now we're going to move on to a more targeting attachment. That is the little nugget tip. So now we're going to move on to the nugget tip. And what I love about this attachment is that you can closely work and give detail to your sinuses with this particular tip, or if you have an adhesion somewhere where they tend to create is right here in the temporalis muscle. You can work in there as well, or even in your jaw. If you suffer from TMJ, you could totally massage your jaw using the nugget tip. Used light, no digging, just light. You can go up and down like this. Circular motions is cool too. It's whatever you feel most comfortable with. And this feels pretty good, and actually felt really good on my temple, right in here. And even if you want to work right into your head too, into your cranials, that's pretty cool too, the nugget tip. But I'll get into more of the detail later with this particular tool. And then if you want to work on your sinuses, you can right in here. That's one. You'll find another one right below your eye, right there. And then another one right in there. Okay, just move it nice and light so you don't accidentally poke your eye. And then right here, right up, like I find it to be like right underneath the eyebrow or even above it. So it feels awesome, either or, whichever point you really like to stimulate here, but they both feel great. Okay, so once you've targeted those areas with the nugget tip, now we can move into flushing. Last but not least, we're going to grab our Gua Sha tool attachment. So this particular attachment is awesome. It's great for flushing. It's great to try to scan for areas in your body, not just your face, for any type of sticky tissue that may need more work. So I find it fabulous that is part of this OMG Blaster kit. So you want to attach it right onto your handle, just like that. And if you need to re-lubricate your face, this is the time to do so. And we're gonna do a little bit of tapotement in the face, just to help invigorate it and get things moving. Okay, so you're gonna grab that Gua Sha tool and we're going to go upwards motion. Now, the reason why we go upwards is because we're trying to go against gravity. So going upwards helps stimulate the skin. So you want to go into an upwards motion. Don't ever go downwards. You want to go up. Just like that. And this is just the perfect way to end your face treatment, because it really does give it a nice smooth finish. And we're gonna go onto the other side. We're gonna go across those areas that we worked, just like that, just like that. Go across, and then on your forehead you want to go up, or if you like, you can give it a little bit of a vibration upwards, just like that. Stimulate that eyebrow lift. I'm gonna go upwards. And then you're going to go on the other side. Stimulate, stimulate, and stimulate, and flush. This feels amazing, you guys. This is awesome. All right, and so that concludes our face treatment. And if you guys have not signed up yet for our Black Friday specials or the OMG Blaster, please do. These babies are going to sell out, and you totally want to get your hands on one. To order your OMG Blaster, visit my website at www.jaqlmt.com.